I'm Greg Reed with Owen Equipment Company. Today we're here to talk about strip brooms. The benefits of the strip broom is that it's easier to replace. Take 4 or 3 bolts out of the fiber guard, drop it down, and that gives us access to pull them out. Okay, they're easier to store, they take up less room, and they are less expensive. You just have to replace, put a mandrel on, and this is concaved, so it's directional. And I'll show you how easy it is to replace one. Just put a new one in. To facilitate changing the strip brooms, you could pressure wash before you take the strips out, and then once you have the strips removed, you can pressure wash out the channel, get it nice and clean so that the new strips will slide right in. So we're going to remove one of them right now. And you would get in and pressure wash out the channel on each one. That'll make things a lot easier for you to reassemble.